Hello students, let us have a glance over a sum on equivalence relation. This problem has been taken from NCERT textbook and it has been asked many times in CBSE examination. The problem is so that the relation R in the set A, the set of all elements X belonging to Z, Z being the set of integers, such that 0 is less than equal to X is less than equal to 12. That means X lies between 0 and 12. Given by R is equal to the set of all ordered pairs AB, such that modulus of A minus B is a multiple of 4. That means the difference of A and B is a multiple of 4. Is an equivalence relation on A. Also find the set of all elements related to 1. That is equivalence class of 1 denoted by this bracket and 1. Let us proceed for its solution. Here A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Why? Because Z is the set of integers and the elements are between 0 and 12, 0 and 12 inclusive. Hence A can be written in roster form like this. Now this is the relation R is equal to set of all ordered pairs such that A minus B is a multiple of 4 and this ordered pair is taken from A cross A. Now we observe that or we see that number 1, for all A belonging to A, we have modulus of A minus A, that means modulus of 0 is a multiple of 4, and this implies that AA belongs to R. That means A relates to itself under this relationship. This is true for all A belonging to A, and this indicates that R is reflexive. The second observation is let AB belongs to A and the ordered pair AB belongs to the relationship R. Now, if the ordered pair AB belongs to the relationship R and the relation is the set of all ordered pairs such that modulus of A minus B is a multiple of 4. Therefore, A minus B must be a multiple of 4. Say 4 lambda. Let us suppose it to be 4 lambda. Now B minus A, modulus of B minus A is equal to modulus of minus 1 multiplied by A minus B. Modulus of minus 1 multiplied by modulus of A minus B. Modulus of minus 1 is nothing but 1, and therefore this is equal to modulus of B minus A, and this is also equal to 4 lambda, and this implies BA also belongs to R. Here modulus of A minus B is equal to modulus of B minus A. If modulus of A minus B is 4 lambda, then modulus of B minus A is 4 lambda. And if the difference between B and A is a multiple of 4, BA must belongs to R. Thus, we have if AB belongs to R, this implies BA also belongs to R, and this indicates that R is symmetric. Now our third observation is let ABC belongs to A and AB and BC both belongs to R. Now, as per the definition of the relationship, modulus of A minus B and modulus of B minus C are multiples of 4, because R is defined like that. Now, modulus of A minus C is equal to modulus of A minus B plus B minus C. B cancel, this is equal to A minus C. Ultimately, it will become A minus. Now, this is equal to A minus B is taken to be 4x because it is a multiple of 4, and B minus C is taken to be 4y because it is also a multiple of 4. Now, here modulus of A minus B is equal to 4x. Therefore, A minus B must be equal to plus or minus 4x. Therefore, this is equal to plus or minus 4x. Similarly, B minus C is equal to plus or minus 4y. And this is equal to 4 times plus or minus x plus or minus y. And it indicates that this modulus of A minus C is again a multiple of 4. Thus, we see that if AB and BC belongs to R, this implies AC also belongs to R. So, R is transitive. And R being transitive, being reflexive, symmetric and transitive, is an equivalence relation on A. Now, the equivalence class of a particular element 1. Now, you have to look for the elements of A which are in relation with this particular element 1. Now if you see 1 minus 0, that is 1, is not a multiple of 4. Therefore, 0 is not related. 1 minus 1, that is 0. And 0 is a multiple of 4. Therefore, 1 is related. Therefore, we have written 1. Similarly, 5, because 1 minus 5, that is 4. And 4 is a multiple of 4. Therefore, it is related. 1 minus 9 is equal to 8, and this is a multiple of 4, and therefore we have written 9, and there is no other element which is in relation with 1. Therefore, equivalence class of 1 is the set of elements 1, 5, 9. ओके, थैंक यू। दूसरे वीडियो के लिए